What's up, YouTube? Guess what? I just went to the new Pokemon shop in town, and I bought Ash's Pikachu for £10. Ash's Pikachu for £10.
YouTube.
A Greninja Terra EX card, and a golden Charizard EX card for £22. The Greninja was £6. And Pikachu was £10. And the guy gave me a pack for free, and I pulled these. I pulled this Japanese, that and a Japanese, Alchemy, Japanese, Electabuzz,
Yeah.
Japanese, Skull Bunny, Japanese, and an extra Cheeto, I think, Japanese. I don't really know the name of this Pokemon. Comment the name of these Pokemon if you know what they're called.